Good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Here we are again. It's time to cook my simple recipe today. It's yummy vegetable, guys. Oil first. Yeah. Simple recipe lang tayo ngayon. This is my simple recipe today. This is little bit mushroom. It's yummy, guys. Yummy. And garlic. Need a vegetable every day in my cuisine. You can add fresh vegetable every day. So welcome to the OFW world. Mega shout out. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Enjoy life. Enjoy vlogging every day. Buenos dias, amigas. Buenos dias, amigo. Bonjour. Mega shout out, guys. Simpleng ulam lang yan. Wow, so yummy, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. I hope you can enjoy my simple vlog every day. In-English tayo ngayon. You can add a little bit black pepper. Kasi ito sa very simple lang, guys. Para mabango rin. Kaya natin dagdagan ng marami mga putahe sapagkat simple lang. Pag sinabing simple lang. Wow. O sa Tagalog pa yan, yung ulam na yan, yung tinatawag nilang kabuti, di ba? Takpan mo na sa kumulo. Tapos lagay ko na yung sunod nito. Yan on the next. Yan is the next. Ayan ko lang kumulo. So lumambot. Kabuti. Ayan. Yan lang ang simpleng ulam natin ngayon sa umaga na ito. Gulay, vegetable in the morning. Okay guys. Then, natin. I hope you are enjoy to my simple vlog. Okay. Lagay ko na yung opia. Okay. Mag-mix na yan siya. I-mix na natin yan. Simple. Very simple. Vegetable. Kailangan natin kumain ng gulay araw-araw. Mekos mo lang yan. Mekos. Mekos mo lang yan. Simpleng gulay lang yan guys. Tapos lagyan mo ng pampalasa yan. Ayun o, pampalasa eh. Lagyan mo ng asin yan. Don't worry the salt. Tapos lagyan mo naman ng tinatawag mo ng tak Ajinomoto. Yan. O, konti lang. Uy, ayaw nata. Bago pa naman. Okay. Yan ang sikreto dyan. Kung paano lumasang ang ulam natin guys. Tingnan mo ng cameraman ngayon. Ako muna magsariling cameraman. Mekos mo yan. It's a very delicious food. Diba? Yan puro karne yan. Wow. It's a very good smell guys. Tapos lagyan natin ng kuwan. Ayun tawag na pang mekos. Diba? May isa pang sikretong pampalasa dyan. Yung chak na yan guys. Sili yan guys. Lagyan mo ng konting sili. Yan. Okay. Kunti lang kasi sobrang anghang to guys. Makain pag sobrang anghang. Pagpalasa rin sa dila. Ayun. Oh. Sa konta, kinakailangan mo taste it and then you can believe it. Ay. Wow. Wow, yummy. It's a perfect day. Okay guys, thank you for watching again and God bless everyone.